Severe storm is approaching. Don't know if you saw the lightning over there, but severe storm is approaching. Here's the look on radar. That's the storm right there. And as it moves closer, you can see all the lightning, and it's moving closer and closer. If you look at the wind, though, there is a little bit of a wind surge right in here. So we're gonna be watching that closely as it moves closer to our area over here. So watching that, we're not under a severe thunderstorm warning now, but the severe storms are approaching. Currently, here's what the skies look like: orange because of the sunset. Look at that. And that is actually, I believe, coming from this storm up here. So we're still waiting for this storm to arrive. My hope right now is that it doesn't die, but who knows? My hope right now is that it doesn't die, but who knows? All right, we're going through our first alpha boundary. You can see the winds. Lots of lightning. Now, this is just the alpha boundary that we're going through. You can see that right here. Ooh, you can see that right here. We're going through that first alpha boundary from this storm up here near Philly, produces some strong to severe weather up there. And then our main concern is now back here from basically Westchester down to New London. This is moving in quickly to the to the east and to the south east. So we'll be watching that very closely, but you can see how eerie the skies are. Fortunately, this is happening at night, so it's not like we can really see a lot, but at least it gives off a nice lightning show. Very fastly, actually, we just went under a severe thunderstorm warning. I'll show you that here. Right here. So there's that new extension going out, something like that. And this is gonna go for 60-mile-per-hour winds and penny-sized hail. Now this report that you see of funnel cloud, that's not real. I don't believe so. But we have heard, or we have seen social media reports of, what would that be? Social media reports of power flashes in northeast Philly, but that could just be from the wind. Look at the National Weather Service. You can see it says we have received numerous reports of wind damage across parts of eastern PA into north and central New Jersey. Radar data supports that several severe downbursts / microbursts, which is basically just straight line damaging winds, have occurred. Severe storms continue to move eastward now. If we take a look at radar, this is the latest update. If we do have a little bit of that, that downburst activity, it's going to be in this storm up here in Philly, and we'll have to see what happens in the storm. The storm looks like it's dying as it comes towards us, so that's a no for us. Let's look back at recent scans. It might miss us, actually. I don't know, there's a lot of stuff happening. The radar loop, you can see the storm that was approaching us really has like fizzled out, or it could be straight. I really don't know. There's a lot happening, but the storm near us definitely isn't looking as impressive as it was. But we're still watching this part of that line. Picking up the lightning in the past few seconds here. Pretty much non-stop now. It's a lightning show. You really can't see nothing. There we go. Yeah. So the storms are back there. They're back there. Winds are picking up, and the storm is approaching. The scary thing is that it's dark, and you can't really see nothing. You can see right up there where that rain line is. Right where those clouds end, the rain is back there. There's a warning just to our south that is 60-mile-per-hour confirmed. It's like right next to us, so we'll have to see what happens. Lightning really getting going. The rain is starting to fall heavily now. You can really see those gusts. Wow, lots of lightning. Rain really picking up. Here goes some wind and some more rain. It's really starting to come down now. Really in the thick of the storm right now. Ooh, I'm getting this torrential rain. The winds are going crazy right now. Oh my goodness. Gusts everywhere. Look at that gust. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at these gusts. Very close lightning strike. The wind is going everywhere. Any direction you can think of. That's where the wind is coming from. Can't see nothing right now. Absolutely very low visibility right now. Look at those gusts. Well, I got absolutely soaked, but that's besides the point. The point is, the winds cranked high. I don't know what happened, but out of nowhere, even though the storm looked like, it was starting to die down just a bit. Oh, look at that lightning strike. Even though the winds looked like they were starting to die down, you're going to hear that. Let's wait for it. Alright. Even though the winds looked like they were dying down and the rainfall and the intensity, overall intensity looked like it was dying down as it marched our way, right as it went over top of us, it almost looked like possibly a downdraft may have formed. A mini one. It definitely wasn't, oh look at that. Definitely wasn't strong at all. But those winds were cranking, those winds were going very fast. We'll have to see, we might have had potentially, again, a downburst there. Alright, anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. But you can see all of that water. And still some lightning. Very beautiful lightning. But until next time, stay tuned, because tomorrow we have another severe risk day with a stronger boundary. So definitely want to stay tuned for that. For the meantime, until next time, I will see you. Till then.